welcome back to my channel Varuni's 5 Libraries. Today I'm going to show you the various types of jewelry I designed for my clients, all the custom orders, the kind of custom orders I receive from my clients and the kind of jewelry I have in-house. So stay tuned. Also, I'll be giving you some tips as to how to keep your jewelry clean, fresh and sparkly, as good as new, if you stay with me till the end of this video. So coming to my jewelry collection, as I told you, this is the stone collection which I have. This is not the full collection, but this is just an overview to show the kind of stone jewelry I have with me. These are all customized pieces. As you can see, there are various kinds of designs: multi-string, single string, with pendants, without pendants, and with very different jewelry and stone accents. So I'm picking up a black pendant set, which is one of my favorites. I love this bold black pendant. This can go with very many designs, mostly Indian traditional attires, and it is, as you can see, it has got Navratan stones in the front and Meena back. This is a high quality piece, and it has got different kinds of stones in the string. As you can see, we have onyx, jades. These are Jadao stones, and this is a very exclusive piece, and we have matching earrings to go along with this as well. So now this is the second piece which I wanted to show you. This is in lilac and white color stones, and it has multi strings of stones in chips attached to it. I wanted to tell you that these stones are very special and they are handcrafted. As you can see, they have kundans encrusted on them. This was a day wear made specially for a client, and such kind of pieces are limited edition. We don't have another set of the same kind, so you will find many limited edition in our collection, as we do special jewelries like this emerald also. This is again a single piece. Now we have this rose colored set, which I am very fond of. It has encrusted pink beads and sparkly blue beads. All these beads are handcrafted. So these are very special sets. These are the matching earrings to go along with the set. Please pardon, I am a bit clumsy with this because it is very new to me. So this was my stone collection. Coming over to another set which has just come from my workshop, I just wanted to show. This was made specifically for a young bride who's recently gotten married. She wanted a nice bright pink set to go with many attires. This is a very dainty set, and it has a matching bracelet and earrings to it. As you can see, the stones are very different. They are a rectangular shape. Coming over to my Kundan collection, as you can see, there are 5 sets displayed here. This is the kind of jewelry we have in our Kundan collection. This is just an overview for you to have a look at the kind of jewelry we have in store. So this is this particular set is a drop shape pendant set with rubies encrusted and 2 different kinds of kundans as strings with matching earrings. This one is a leaf shaped kundan pendant set with matching earrings. And the black set is a very big bold set like a collar with the matching studs. Now we have these big bold kundans hanging down from the small string of kundans, and the kind of beads the client wanted for us to do for her. Now I also wanted to tell you that all these pieces are exclusive pieces, and for this we use high quality raw material which is available. So if you want to see more of my collection, please visit my Facebook page. Now this again is a very exclusive kind of a pearl set which I have in store for you today. As you can see, this is a Baroque pearl set which is grey in color. It has different kind of square accents as clasp, and these jhumkis are very sparkly. Now I'm going to share with you some useful tips as to how to keep your jewelry sparkly and clean. For any kind of jewelry, whether it is gold jewelry or silver plated jewelry, to save it from tarnishing is to avoid contact with sweat. But if by any chance you can't do that, what you need to do is wipe it with a soft muslin cloth or a cotton cloth thoroughly before keeping it in your jewelry box. Number 2, when you are wearing artificial jewelry, avoid contact with any kind of makeup like foundation or powder directly on the jewelry. Tip number 3, do not use perfumes or sprays directly on the jewelry, and whenever you are putting on your jewelry, always put it after you have fully dressed up. Tip number 4, you should avoid contact of water on the jewelry, so always take off your jewelry if you have to use water. Lastly, tip number 5, never keep your jewelry out in the open. Always put in a plastic pouch and then a cotton pouch and then put it in your jewelry box. Any attire you wear, it's incomplete without a glittery piece of jewelry set. So if you take good care of your jewelry, it will always brighten up your ensemble. Keep that in mind. Hey, would you like to learn some basic jewelry making? Do let me know in the comment box below. Also, if you like to see my full collection on Facebook, visit my page Firefly Blinks. Also follow my Instagram handle. Do like my video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. See you then. Ta-da!